Hello friends, welcome to today's video where I'll be showing you how I added lining to my shoe. But first of all, you can see that the back of the leather is lined with a jean material. I did it because the leather was a bit light, so I had to pad it with um, a jean material, so it will be a bit thick and stronger. So I'm adding gum to the upper. You can see that the gum is not getting to the front of the shoe for now. It's not supposed to get to that point, so I'll add gum to both the upper and the lining. Please, if you are here for the first time, consider subscribing, like and share our videos. Give us that thumbs up, and please turn on that notification bell so that whenever I post any video, you always see it. Thank you for being a part of this family. Thank you. Please, if you have any question, type it on the comment box. I'll always be there to answer all your questions. Thank you. Now I'm going to paste the upper on the lining. So you see that I gave a little bit allowance where the tape passed, so that after stitching I will trim it off. So after trimming it up, the excess leather off, then I will join the back. You can see the back has a curve, like a C curve, so I will stitch on um that line, at the back. Now I've stitched the back, so now the upper is almost ready. The last thing I'm going to do now is to the back that I stitched, I need to cover it with a leather. First of all, I will hit it with a hammer, to flatten that place a bit. Then I'm going to add a tiny leather first of all. This is the final stage where I will add the back leather to it. After adding the back leather, I will now stitch it. Please, if you are here for the first time, consider subscribing, like and share my videos. Please subscribe, turn on that notification bell so that whenever I post any video, you always see it. So finally I have finished stitching it, so the upper is ready for lasting. The upper is ready for lasting. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video.